This gives you an idea how small the island is. It's Fritano. This is where our retreat villa is, right? Today we are here. We are at the edge of the national park. All this, 60% of the island is national park that can be built over. So it's like the green lungs on the island. This is what makes the island so special, right? Only this part is really populated. Here, most of the time, you can only reach by boat or some very rough, like kind of four-wheel drive roads that I would highly not recommend. Tonight we are going to a drum circle here. We're going to be on this little piece of land here with almost like 360 views of the sunset. Very nice and enjoyable. The next day, we are going to the most northern part of the island, to Sadet-Ko, where the hikers are going to hike over the highest ridge here and end up at Bottle Beach here. And we're going to, the non-hikers, also known as the chillers, we're going to take the boat and reach the same pond with an additional viewpoint hike here. This is the most northern point of the island. That's tomorrow. And then there's going to be a chill day with sauna. And then the day after that, we're going to go for the Hadrin. This is where the full moon party is. Any of you heard of the full moon party?
Yes.
Right. So it's the name of the beach is Hadrin. It's not going to be a full moon party when we get there. The hikers are going to hike over this ridge to this beach actually. And we're going to take a boat ride. And then we're going to eat lunch there and do a tiny little hike to this tiny little cove. Right? And then on the last day of the retreat, before we part, we're going to do a waterfall along here. So basically, we will cover all the most interesting parts of the island. That's wonderful! Yeah. Awesome. Toilets are right here behind this parking sign or changing rooms. Oh, you got a fly on your hair.
Yeah, it's in the same family, Artocarpus family.
What's this?
Artocarpus rigidus.
Whatever he just said.
What is it?
Oh, I dropped one. I'm sorry.
It's like a vitamin C tablet.
This is Artocarpus rigidus.
What's the name? Artocarpus rigidus?
Artocarpus rigidus.
Is it cheesy? It's like a vitamin C tablet.
Astringent.
Is this primary, secondary, or tertiary jungle?
Secondary.
Tertiary.
What's the difference?
Primary, yeah. So this is primary jungle. The way you can tell is from the leaves, the topsoil. Do you see how many leaves are covering the topsoil?
You're like 6 minutes out, guys. 6 minutes out. What is it, honey?
Wild mangosteen.
Ale, representing Mexico.
Delicioso. And you can see the skin is very soft and very tiny. It's not a big skin. This one's fermented, but there's going to be better ones.
How do you know it's fermented?
Well, you have to open it first. Okay, there you go. You guys can try it.
Is that what's fermented?
Just a gift.
Is this fermented?
Yeah, that looks fermented.
Okay.
Here, this one you can try.
Okay.
Yeah. You want me to use your phone?
It's best for the person that is doing the water therapy to have their hands right next to their body, because there's going to be several groups and otherwise you're going to bump into each other. Okay, we're going to do that for like a minute, and then after that we can start moving sideways. And Margaret's going to go in the opposite direction of me. So I go left, he goes right, yeah. Okay? I eat pizza, I eat fried chicken, you know, and they are yelling at you. And if you're not mentally strong enough,
Chicken biryani, yes, yes.
then you're gonna have problems, right?
This must be underwater love, the way I feel.
Maybe. I'm not good with names. That is full of waterfalls. Maybe.
Mike, did you get all this?
Can I get a picture of everybody on top of the world?
Okay, we can go. Okay, we are here. Anybody hungry for lunch? Yes.
Burgers and fries.
Then I think everybody's gonna have about an hour and a half of chill time.
Good.
And at 4:30 we're gonna meet for live stories, and at 5:30 we're gonna leave for the.
Such a gentleman.
I'm gonna order one.
Now we gotta get the dance.
This is the anti-rain dance.
No, rain. No, rain.
I'm trying to get